No long me should have breed her be. No, with that baby, she can't left me again, you mad? Yeah. All this time me there, I beat up my gum and I eat this. Lord Claude. Feel nice. Anyway, make a step up on the road there and forward there, man.
I'm gonna have to rush over yourself. I need something to do. I know today I'm a delivery day, man. So, Cisco, you know something? Girl, no bother with me. Don't bother with me. Ah, yeah. But you may rush come over here because you call me like you're dead. So just, yeah, get something to do. Call me like you're dead. What is it of now?
Some coconut water.
Oh, good. Good thing.
Why you check, sir?
No. Why me have to run come over here so fast?
Sis, I'm glad you could have come in now. You didn't even know where I'm going right now.
I was sis? No, man. This looks serious. Is what? What the problem?
Baby want to say it right now, you know. Baby want to say it.
What do you mean? It's that bad?
That bad.
Oh boy. What, man problem? Cause that can sort out, you know.
More than that.
Ya breed? Shh. Where you shush me for?
Me no want
Nobody there here for listen?
No, my neighbor, you know, she fast already.
Hello,
She
let
hear
people mind them
everything when I
own
come.
business.
No,
People
man.
can mind them own
Me
business.
no
You
want
don't
her.
worry about people.
Me no want her in my business. Me no want her in my business. Me don't want her in my business.
So, it look like you're breed for true. So, tell me now, how you gonna tell daddy? How you gonna tell Peter this? Well, at least you're not gonna have no baby mother drama, but me just can't imagine how you're gonna break the news.
Yeah, that I want him glad to know the seminar, the baby father drama and the baby mother drama foolishness of ever deal with, because you don't know Steve is a good man and him have no youth and we're good. So I'm not worry about that still, you know.
But that one you kind of way over your head though. I don't know how you're gonna manage this one.
But I don't even know neither, you know, because
mercy.
him supposed to come in the next 2-3 weeks. So I don't even know how that's gonna work, because we can't make him come and see Delhi. So
And girl, me not in the next part, you know, so you have to go carry it. So, I don't even know how to tell you this one though.
alright,
That one I let me for 6, me have to tell you.
man, I don't even know.
Me not sure me there was the right person for your call at all.
What do you mean you're the right person? Now you're
Because we don't know what to tell you. This a one you're serious? You don't know how to protect yourself. What kind of madness this?
you know the eat at the moment kind of vibes, you know,
Well, me understand
sometimes and them
that,
things
yeah.
that you know when it's nice, you know, yeah.
God have mercy, me know what you're talking about, my child.
But serious thing though, serious thing. I don't know if you do. I'm gonna read it to figure it out, because I can't make Peter know about this. I'm done already have 3 penny, where next one I go, 4 penny I go. That never get picked.
Good girl like you.
Yeah, get caught up.
Get caught up in this a drama, yeah.
Caught up. Hello? Hello? Yeah, who said that? Okay. Steve what? Baby what?